Adalia Eugene, maybe you know this, the way you will know the names of the people. Abaw Alan, Adorio Arsenio, Advincula Vic, Africa Arthur, Albay Armando, Alcones Ray, Aldana Bayani, Alanigi Amado. He is my kumpare.
Oh.
I didn't even know. Ali Ferdi, Amugod Francis, Antonio Orlando General, Anuran Ideleno, Aquino Eustaquio, Tech, Aquino Manolo, Arabejo Manuel. Okay, this Arabejo was one of my customers because I was selling goods. If you remember, I was selling goods. In the rolling store, competition with Gloria. So I know all these names.
Gloria.
Okay. Asan na tayo?
Yun.
Okay. Alright. The next one is Aquino Manolo, Arabejo Manuel, Aranita Boy, Armisen Edgar, Astorga Renato, Zay, Ray Austria, familiar ang pangalan niya. Fermin Bagay, Barreto Emmanuel, Manny, si Manny. Florante Barreto, Sofronio Basit, Tony Batulan.
My friend.
Tony Batulan.
Brother-in-law ni Cory Batulan.
Ah.
Danny Bautista, Isayas Bautista, si Mang Sayas.
Sayas.
Nelio Bihosano, Eric Belen, Chris Pulo Bermisa, Pedro Bernados, Eman Bituon, Obsandeas Bondok, Ben Caballes, si Eddie Cabanyero, Manay Cabanyero, si Manay, Amelio Cadavos, Pete Calesterio, Totoy Calesterio, magkapatid ito ano?
Kapatid.
Chito Kanda, Boy Behe Canlas, Paul Canlas, Paul, Rogelio Castañeda, Raymond Castillo, Alan Castro, Ponching Castro. Si Ponching ba ito?
Ponching, oh, Ponching.
Noel Catalonia, si Mader. Si Mader. Nauna na sa atin. Teresito Tochi Chan, Tony Chua, Ambrosio Conde, Romy Continuado, si Mang Romy.
Mang Romy.
Sofronio Rasky Correos, Jojo Cristobal.